Music production.
What's poppin'? We're gonna break down Exro technologies again here. Now I'm really liking the look of this. Again, my expectation is that we could potentially have a move down to towards this resistance zone and act as support, right? That zone is right around that 216 level, right? So we could come back down to that area, but we've been uptrending strong here. Big amounts of volume coming in, average amounts of bullish volume coming in, and we're creating solid patterns. Like right here, we have a nice ascending triangle into that resistance. We break above, and now from that breakout, we've gone 33%. Now what we could be looking for is just a little bit of consolidation before that move up to the upside. So it could be possible that we don't reach that area, because if you're looking at this as a continuation pattern, we have a solid bull flag going on right now. So I want to keep that at the forefront when we're breaking down this Exro technologies here, right? So that could be a potential move where in the next few days we might see that we break out and push towards this 297, that $3 zone, because this is the level now that we need to beat right up here. This is our resistance, the top of this line. We need to beat that zone. This level is the area we need to weaken if we want to see this stock go towards $3.50, $4, $4.50, right? $4.80, $5. You want to see it go that high? We need to weaken this zone so that eventually, we get this breakout, we come back, it's our support, and then we continue higher. That's ideally what would happen from a technical perspective. This thing, anything could happen though, right? You got to think about partnerships coming up, new products coming out. The partnerships is a huge deal. And for example, let's say Tesla comes along, something crazy, some big company comes along and says, hey, we're buying this company out. What do you think is going to happen, right? Like, it's a very interesting stock. I think they're slowly trying to become a large player in the like EV charger space, right? They create inverters for the EV chargers. For those who don't know, inverters, what they do is they turn AC into DC. Simple as that. So when we're looking at the potential things coming up, right? We got May 2nd earnings. So it could take a while where we develop this base and then we get a push into earnings, right? That could happen. I'm just trying to name out a few different potential situations here, but for the most part, we're looking at a bull flag. Could potentially in the next few days get that breakout to the upside. Most importantly is this zone. When we zoom out to the weekly time frame, we need to weaken this zone. So keep that in mind. That is important. On the weekly time frame, we look at the 8 EMA. We might need to just look at how the 8 EMA here, all that was going on was that it took some time to catch up to the 8 EMA. The same thing could be happening right now where we have that push to the upside. We are a little bit extended from the 8 EMA. We might need just a little bit more time to develop that base in that zone where we get something like this. The 8 EMA is going to catch up and then we can get that move up. So that's what I'm kind of looking for on Exro technologies from a technical perspective. Peace, guys.